Good afternoon, everyone. It's a warm, sunny day today. I'm here at the near my location where I usually shoots video. There's a volleyball ground below, and this is the newly constructed road. And I'm just sitting enjoying this bright, sunny day. Today, I'm going to say few things regarding the content creation journey, how I started, and how it's going, and what are my experiences, what I learned from my previous mistakes. Okay, so day one of posting, experience of my what I have learned till today. So this is Sagar. I welcome you all in my video. So it's a warm sunny day, as you can see. It's a very pleasant location I'm staying in. It's nearby river. You can see there is a river, and that particular back from that place is quite far from here. It's the location of that place is like the Ramdin. So I'm sitting at the bank of the river. It's like 2 to 3 minutes walk from this location to the river. Okay, nearby river. There are two river. One is there and another one is there. So I have learned so many things. I have done mistakes because when I started making videos. Because I usually upload my travel vlogs, travel videos, fishing, camping, adventurous video, I should say. Because what I think is that my nature of my video will be mostly in like travel vlogging and all. So I'm posting some of my experience, so how I learned, what are the things I come across in during this content creation journey. So welcome all. Today we going to discuss about the why from the very first time when you start blogging or when you start shooting videos, what are the main things you should focus first. The step one, the most important thing is you need the equipment. Okay, you need at least one good phone to shoot the videos. Okay, and the mic as well, and if you have a tripod, that would be awesome, and the mic and the adapter. Okay, that two things is very important. And the light, because I often see that the people they make videos because they don't like the noise cancellation mics is very necessary, because what we are speaking and what the viewers are listening over the phone is two aspect. Okay, and what I learn is that if you are making a video of something, for example, if I am making a video of this DSLR. Okay, so DSLR, unboxing it, what are the specs, specification, what is the pro and cons. Okay, everything, whatever the things, whichever the topic we are making a video, you should be very clear and audible, first thing. And the second thing is your video should not be too lengthy, means most of the people don't hear the long tutorial or long videos. Okay, so make sure that a catchy, short and precise video, and don't stress the topic too much. What are the things you are going to tell in the video or in any other products. If you are selling something, if you are selling this specs online, okay, and if I am a buyer, okay, you just tell me the color, what are the specs, what are the good a color combination, and what is usage, is this a UV filtered or not, like that. Okay, the main important thing is that not talking nonsense over the product, but give the precise information. Okay, and what I learned is that people normally skip or scroll down your video because they don't feel like you are missing out something, like the too much background noise, maybe unpleasant to hear the sound, because the noise cancellation was not there, especially for the new creators. Okay, there was no noise cancellation. They people randomly post out videos, they don't even edit much, just 2 to 3 editor apps are there. One is Canva, and that is good for because you need to take the subscription as well from the Canva. And the other thing is that it's free of course. Is most of my videos I post and I edit it, and whatever things I do is on InShot is very, very useful product. And you can give voiceovers if you are feeling very on realistic, or maybe you don't want to shoot out the noise and the background noise. If you want to give the good voiceover, the InShot is very good option. And I'm not nobody else is promoting, or I'm not promoting anything. Okay, here what I learned, I'm just telling you. And you need to have a good camera quality, because the whatever you shoot, if the camera and the video is too hazy, too shaky, it may be like, if the viewer is seeing this video and like it feel like it's not just good. Okay, be a good stable camera. If you have iPhone, that's very good, because iPhone is like a camera and the video, because the iPhone has a good stability while recording the video. I'm right now recording my video from iPhone 12. Okay, it's a very old phone, almost like 6 years. I think it has been 6 years I'm using the same phone, and it's good because still I'm getting the updates and all. So iPhone is like, nowadays iPhone comes very cheap, like 40,000, 45, 50,000 also you get iPhone, a good quality iPhone, and you can buy that online also. Okay, and you have to that phone, or maybe a good mic. I'm using this normal mic, it's not that costly, it's like 599 or something. So you can, like, for example, if you have a budget of 30,000, okay, if you have a budget of 30,000, like one tripod comes under like 1,000, a good stable, which is like stable to hold DSLR also and phone also, and selfie stick also sometimes, because the too much weight, because the tripod has too much weight. So try to like purchase a slight like a less way tripod, like a handy tripod that you can carry out while going outside, outdoors, and shooting different places. Because if you had that bulky tripod, like which the DSLR and the camera person hold, that is kind of like very bulky. That is for professionals. If you have a wildlife photographer, if you have like if you post like a wedding photograph and so many things, because you need to have that stability in that, because you are zooming out something very far, and you need that, because you can't hold phone for too long, because DSLR, this is DSLR D5600, okay, and if the lens is too long, and it may be like it will hurt your hands while still holding the camera or tripod for the long time. So tripod is what people usually take, just stand down and they shoot whatever they want to shoot. That is the one. Okay, and what else is required is like the more preferred language you speak. Okay, and if you are fluent in Hindi or any of your regional language, go with that. Okay, and always try to understand your audience. Okay, who are your audience? What if you post one video in your page or in Instagram or anything, what your audience wanted to hear? Okay, if my page is like Ghumakkar Fauji means a traveling soldier. Okay, because I have been in army, I have served Indian Army for a long period of time. Then I came back home and I started business. I started doing this travel vlogs and like my travel videos, like reels, making reels on product or something, because I had one business also. I often usually post that business videos in my Instagram handle also. So like that. Okay, you always try to understand your audience. If you upload any of your video, always listen what are the responses from the audience. If there's no reach, you need to work in like editing also, and good thumbnail also. Okay, thumbnail you can get any today it's very easy. If you have a subscription of ChatGPT or anything, there's plenty of things you can do with that, because it's like premium, like subscription is like 199 per month, but initially you don't need to take that, because there are too many free AI tools over internet. You have to search that. Okay, you have to search that. And if you are making a video like like the Bhuvan Bams used to post a video, something like that, that you need to have at least a laptop because editing on a phone is very tedious. In iPhone, it's number one drawback is that in iPhone there's a space compatibility. Space is very, very, very tough. You need to have that. If your budget is not okay, but you can buy another phone, Android phone, and you can still shoot your videos, edit one, because it has a lot of space according to the iPhone, because iPhone has a very few space, like 128 GB is like, if you record a video on 4K, like 10 to 20 videos, it will be full. So it's better to like you understand thing. Okay, you shoot that video. If you have a GoPro, if your budget allow you to purchase something fancy out that, but I don't recommend any new content creator to just go with that expensive thing. Okay, I just want to do whatever things I hear in your hand, you can buy one simple like tripod, one phone and mic is very important, because normally people don't use mic, they random, like, because the background sound and the voice constellation was not there in a like their video, that it feels so unprofessional. Okay, whichever you upload, whatever things you speak, that comes very unprofessional. So you need to have one tripod that comes under 1000 rupees, and mic comes under 1000 rupees. Okay, 599, 699, 799, plenty of options are there in Amazon. You can see, say, always read the reviews. Okay, those product which has 4.5, above 4.5 review, that is good. If 4.0 is also good. Okay, for at least 4.0 review, because always understand, before buying things you need to just to research. Okay, what are the uses, what are the things you are buying for. Okay, if you are buying a tripod, always see the compatibility of phone, which phone is suitable to hold by a tripod. Okay, always understand that. And the other thing is that you need to understand your whatever things you are uploading, whatever things you upload, don't mix it. Okay, sometimes cooking video, sometimes funny video, sometimes just a random vlog, sometimes random live streaming. Don't do that. Always be specific in your channel, whatever you are uploading. If you are uploading, like, you can upload a short in any topic. Okay, you can upload a short, but long videos, any of the video which you usually upload to a place, you are going on a vacation, you want to make a vlog out of it, just side by side you upload that. Okay, very specific. No more like long videos. First I think 1 to 6 months you need to have at least like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, like 10 under 10 minute video, because long video nobody watch nowadays, because the people don't have time. They are working and they just get 10 to 20 minutes break, just they scroll it out. Okay, so like that, because before you have the strong audience, when your YouTube channel or Facebook channel usually get a good audience, like 50k, 60k subscriber, 20k, 10k subscriber, that means you had gained the recognition. Okay, you have gained the then you can post a little longer video, but till then don't do that, because you are a first content creator, nobody else is watching your video before you are uploading in the YouTube or Facebook or any Instagram. So you always do that. You need to have that. Okay, and always try to post a shorter video. Okay, a shorter video, and make the specific of it, and always choose a good trendy thumbnail, good and trendy thumbnail, and description of your video, a few trending hashtag you want to cover up. If you are covering up any trending topic, you can use their photos in your description of your video, as disclaimer of the video. Always take permission. And the one thing is very important, like music you are going to upload in your video. Okay, the music is very necessary. The licensed music should be do. I always research the copyright free music available in the subscription. There is an option of subscription, $2 to $3 you pay to them. They allow you to have that subscription. Okay, use that background sound. If you are traveling, use that soothing background sound. Okay, that will work. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.